From 22,000 miles in Earth orbit to the flat screen TV in a southern Arizona living room. The top two providers in the satellite TV industry now count more than 33 million residential subscribers in the U.S., tuning in news and entertainment. It's all part of the explosion in choice for consumers looking for alternatives to cable. But customers in and around Tucson aren't just looking for someone to install a satellite dish on their roof. They need help with programming, with the features on their set-top box, with parental controls, how to use their HD digital video recorder. Channel Choice TV bills itself as the local source in southern Arizona for all that. A local source that moves faster and offers more personal service than larger media companies. It is an authorized retailer for DirecTV and the Dish Network, along with Qwest, Wild Blue, and Simply Bits internet service. Channel Choice TV installs dishes, sells bundled services for TV, voice, and internet, provides satellite service for homes and businesses. But the company is also using social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube videos, and blog posts to pass along news about programs and channels, hints about programming a remote, an HD DVR, troubleshooting, what's right for the kids to watch, offering up 15 years of customer service experience that stretches from high above the earth to a southern Arizona home. There's more at channelchoicetv.com. I'm Renee San Miguel. This has been a Spark 360 Minute.